Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have got another Fugler to unbox. So this one is the Budgie version. It's all purple. It's got like 3 green snake eyes. It looks like kind of snakes. It's like staring at you a lot. It's kind of like Magoo, got tooth Magoo, because it has one loose tooth. It's fuzzy. It has a ice cream, what is it called? Ice cream underwear. And it's like green little things. So yeah, that's about it. On the back it says Budgie Fugglers. So it's like the normal basically. It has all the underwear. Let's do a quick ASMR. Mysterious and misunderstood. In the other video, these are pretty obvious. I have most of my Fugglers are Budgie versions. So let's unbox this. I got this as a gift. I'm in my Minion PJs because I just came back from swimming.
5 minutes later.
If you ever had a Fugler from Entertainer or that, isn't it so weird? Oh, okay, that was the best one. That was the best one so far. Look at that, guys. Barely anything. It's barely anything. Now it's getting stuck in. So it's open with caution. Oh, okay, this is really cool. I like this. Oh, it's got little ears as well. Okay, I like this. It looks like it's like really strong. It looks like a spoon. What button did I get? Normal. This is actually so good. It looks like it's like real strong. So this is really cool. So it has the little ears matching with this. So yeah, this is very nice. So yeah, I really like the name Rico. So I guess I'll keep it Rico.
There's no other Fugler quite like me. No, I don't need the light to see. Hiding in the bushes, waiting for the dark. Underneath your trampoline or playing in the park.